Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke. So again, I come into you a little bit later because I've been working a lot today. So this episode's coming out a little bit too late. Usually I like to do it in the morning, but it is what it is. So just jumping into a quick video today, guys and girls, just showing you the current Bitcoin price. So yes, if you were with me yesterday, I spoke about this symmetrical triangle pattern just here, and also I've been talking about the megaphone pattern as well. So right now we are breaking through, over this past day we've been breaking through this resistance, as you can see, and so this is a good sign to go towards the upside. And yeah, so we've tested this on multiple occasions, and yeah, we've broken through today. Just looking over at the 4-hourly, let's just jump there. So as you can see, we broke through it earlier today. It was around the morning. We came back down, retest, and we're back up. Maybe we come back down and retest and then carry on up to the upside. But for the daily, it's a pretty good day. Breaking through that key resistance on that symmetrical triangle pattern. And so let's see what happens over the weekend. Personally, over the weekend, nothing happens that often. We could see a rally. The only problem is if we have that rally over the weekend, then we will form that CME gap at lower prices. So again, I wouldn't be surprised if we do. Like I've been saying, we'll probably go up to the 40k mark. Now this symmetrical triangle pattern, the target, if you watched my video yesterday, is around the $41,000 level, and over the last few weeks I have been talking about the 40k level. I think personally we're going to hit that before we go back down to lower price ranges of around 30k. So yeah, we're in the month of December, and the returns for Bitcoin in the month of November, let's just go, so I mean this is just the quarter, let's see, there we go. So yeah, just going back to the quarterly, so quarter 4 2023 has been really good, and I mean quarter 1 was phenomenal as well, 70% returns there. So for the year so far we are over 100%. So we're seeing out the year pretty strongly in quarter 4, and last month we had a rally of almost 10%, but October was, Pumptober, and now we're going into the month of December, where the last 2 years not great during the bear market, of course, but usually in December, when we do have a green month, it does quite well. So let's see what December brings, especially with the Christmas period coming up. But again, like I said back in October, I did say that October usually does well, and that's why we call it Pumptober or Uptober, and that's exactly what happened. I did also say that November would be good. Obviously it was just a small pump, but we stayed positive in the green. And again, I'm just putting it out there. I think December will be pretty strong as well, where we will probably most likely go above the $40,000. And again, it wouldn't surprise me if we have like a huge pump to the upside, go up to 40, 45 towards 50, and then going over into 2024 January, just before that halving, we see that dump event back down in between 20. I don't think we're going to go lower than 20k, but I wouldn't be surprised if we go back down into the 20s pre-Bitcoin halving. So again, the last 2 months pretty positive. Let's just wait and see what happens with Bitcoin in this month. But just jumping back over, I won't be surprised if we do go straight up to 40k. If it happens over the weekend, we hit that 40k price target, then expect a pullback on Monday back down to around these regions of 37, 38k, if we do see that rally over the next 48 hours. So that's just a quick update on the Bitcoin price. Over in Crypto Bubbles for the day, everything's been in the green again. For the weekly, it's been pretty good in altcoins as well. So if you're dollar cost averaging into altcoins, then now is the best time. Again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion. But a lot of people, they get into crypto, or they start buying crypto at the wrong time. They usually start jumping in midway through the bull run or towards the end of the bull run, and they don't do it right now. The prices are really cheap at the moment. Most of crypto is down still 80-90%, and I mean, again, personally, it's the best time. This year has been the best time, and you're not late. You've got another, my opinion, another 6 to 8 months to get your altcoins, get into Bitcoin, and whatever coins you're interested in. Just make sure you do your research and get into your positions before it's too late. And too late will be next next spring, going into the summer, when most people, mainstream media, will start jumping in during the parabolic run. I mean, that's just the nature of crypto bull run. So sadly for them, they'll get wrecked, especially if you're new here. You might do that. So just have, if you are new, then just have a plan. If you've been in crypto for a while, hopefully you have set up a plan and you're ready for the next parabolic run after the Bitcoin halving. So that's pretty much it for today. I did say I was going to go into gaming, but I didn't have time to really get into it today, unfortunately. So next week we'll do that. We'll go back into gaming. I did have some comments in my previous videos asking me about different gamings, what games to buy, etc., and also how to buy crypto games, especially the lower market cap coins that are not on major exchanges, how to buy them. So I'm going to go into that next week. So if you're interested in buying micro cap coins, maybe crypto coins that are not yet on Coinbase, Binance, or other big exchanges, and then I'm going to show you how I do it for smaller, lower cap coins. So stay tuned for next week. Again, guys and girls, thank you so much for subscribing. I've had a good few subscribers this week. Thank you for the comments, and I really appreciate that. And yeah, so continue to smash up the like button for the algorithm, and I'll be back with you next week. Enjoy your weekend, guys and girls, and see you next week. Thank you very much. Bye bye.